It's the 19th of January, 2026, and I'm going to show my rolling scaffolding 2.0. There it is. If you've been watching the channel, you see that I have another video that I made in 2021. I did a rolling scaffolding in my sunroom to put the sheetrock up. So then once I got done with the house, I didn't have a use for it, so I gave it away. But now I've been hired to frame in this pole barn and put the ceiling in and then frame some walls in. And so I need a way to get up there, and I don't want to move my ladder a million times, and I don't have a scissor lift, and so this is good enough. It's even better than a scissor lift, depending on your use for it, okay? Because if I'm up here on the rolling scaffolding, then I can pull myself along because it's on the wheels. And so the dimensions, if that's a 4x8 sheet right there, that's a 4x8 sheet right there, then you can pretty much figure out how I built it. And then it is 9 foot high, okay? So then once I'm sheetrocking, people can pass up the sheets. I could set it up on there, and then I could lift it up, okay? So that's how I do that. And then with this 4 foot wide, like it is, I can climb, and then I can just swing around here. And now I'm up here, okay? So then the reason I have these boards here is because that way for different size people, they can work on this, because the tall guy, he's 6'2", and so if he's standing here on the platform, then he could still work up here without hitting his head. But for me, it's a little bit too short, so instead of me moving the platform every time, I just put the boards up, and then I can climb up, and I can nail all this framing in and stuff. And then with sheetrocking too, I can go up or down. So I'm going to take you down, and I'm going to take you down and kind of walk around it so you can see a little bit better. And then down here on this shelf, down there on that shelf, then I put my tools down there so I don't have to bend over, okay? So let me kind of slowly film it so you can see how it's made. And right here, I mean, just really basic, just made out of 2x4s. This is 9 feet high, like I said. And then the wheel's another 5 inches. So how I did this was I just cut in right here with the skill saw, and then it's screwed in right there. And then if that wasn't strong enough, then what I did is I take and I laminate each one of these, because if somebody's climbing up there, I don't want these coming apart. So it's super strong. Right now it's just held in place with the screws, but if you were worried about it, you could put lag screws, or you could put bolts, through bolts. And then my diagonal is just going from point to point, and I just made sure everything was square. I pulled the diagonals, and then I used the braces to force the scaffolding into square. And then since this is a 2x4 right here, I was a little bit worried that if there was 2 grown men standing on this point, it would be sagging. But since I got the screws in here, that holds it up, and so it's sturdy and it rolls along. So it took me, I don't know, basically a full day to make it, right? There's a lot of cutting involved, but all the time it's going to save. Framing, sheetrock, whatever I have, all the time it's going to save is going to be well worth it. So that's my rolling scaffolding 2.0. So if this gives you an idea on yours, then feel free to use my design. And thanks for watching the channel.